Got a WSI file linked to a software installer and curious about its purpose? These script files automate the Windows installation process. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle Windows script installer files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure WSI formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. A .WSI file is a script used by the Windows Script Component Wizard to create and install Windows Script Components, WSC files. Users, typically developers or system administrators, interact with these files to package and register COM components written in scripting languages, like VBScript or JScript on a system. The .WSI file is a text-based script, often structured in an INI-like or XML format. It contains directives and metadata that guide the installer wizard, specifying file locations, registration details, and component properties. This plain text design allows for easy creation and modification by developers. The designated application for the WSI file is Microsoft Windows Script Component Wizard from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows allows text viewing, but execution requires the script's intended runtime. Your primary action: right-click the WSI file and select Open With. If Microsoft Windows Script Component Wizard is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the WSI file opens successfully. If the WSI file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent WSI problem. First, editing in Visual Studio. Open WSI files in Visual Studio with the Wix toolset extension installed for full IntelliSense support. The XML schema validation and Wix-specific code completion accelerate authoring of installation scripts. Build the WSI source into MSI packages directly through the integrated Wix build pipeline. Next, compiling with Wix tools. Use the Wix command line tools, candle.exe and light.exe, to compile WSI sources into MSI installer packages. Run candle file name.wsi to produce object files, then light to link into the final MSI. This automated build process integrates well with continuous integration systems for software release pipelines. Finally, inspecting in text editors. Open WSI files in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code with XML syntax highlighting to review installation script contents. The readable XML structure clarifies installation behavior, including which files are deployed, registry keys created, and custom actions executed during the package installation process. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.